All right, this is a new product that we have here at Cool Cat Spy Gadgets. We're really excited about it. This is the Sabre pepper ball gun. I don't know why it's saying a pepper spray launcher. It's not. It's not using a spray. It's a CO2 projectile that is shooting a pepper powder ball at 400 feet per second. What that is going to feel like is it's going to feel like a rubber ball hitting you, and then immediately that powder is going to be a little more effective than a spray in that powder is going to actually scratch a little bit. So when it gets into your respiratory, it's going to have the desired effect of incapacitating somebody, making it impossible to see or breathe normal, which is going to allow you to escape. So the effective range on this is actually really good. We've been stuck with the 15 feet with projectile less lethal guns for quite a while with the taser at 15 feet, but we got 66 feet here. So once again, it's going to feel like a rubber bullet when you get hit by it. The cloud is going to be about 6 foot in diameter. So even if I shoot at the feet of the person, you're still going to have a desired effect of making it very difficult for them to breathe. But yeah, if I hit them, it's going to have an even better effect that way. But yeah, let's take a look at this thing. Very substantial here. This is you're not afraid of dropping this, and in fact, I would say this could probably get run over by a car and still be okay. Over here at the front, this is how you load the CO2 cartridges. You just unscrew that, put your cartridge in here. Of course, you have the nozzle where it's going to be shooting on out. Over here, you have a rail so that you can add like a flashlight or perhaps a laser. Ambidextrous safety either side. If you're used to having a gun, you'll notice that the feel of this is very much the same. The magazine comes out like a magazine for a gun would come on out. The the feel for it, yeah, it feels like a handgun. A little bit bigger than most of the handguns I deal with. Maybe if I had a Desert Eagle, the size would be about right. But anywho, I really like this gun because let's face it, you know, when we practice with something that's going to save our life, if we practice, I mean, I go practice with my gun all the time, to practice with my aim and to get to know my gun. And a lot of self-defense devices don't have that practice capability. I mean, maybe with like a stun gun, I can light that up and see, you know, how the trigger is going to work and see how loud it pops and so forth. But you know, with having something that an inert, you know, type shot where I could, you know, take this out and practice. And this does come with a target as well as here's the instructions, here's the target. So I can go out and it looks like there's 6 in each of these, so you've got 12 rounds for practice and then another 6 for real live rounds. And this gun is a semi-auto, so as quickly as you can pull that trigger, it's going to fire for you. So yeah, great product. Excited about displaying this and getting to know this product better. The reviews are great, and opening this up and taking a look at it, I can